I'm a 5'3" small little ginger and I'm dating woman out of your league. In today's video, I'm gonna show you my entire system, the entire transformation that I went through so I can date women out of your league. It wasn't always easy. I was insecure about my height. I was insecure about my looks. In fact, I hated myself. I was a nice guy, a people pleaser. But what I did in order to date extremely attractive women can possibly help you too. So stay until the end of the video so you know exactly how you can date women that you might consider out of your league right now. The first thing that you need to do is that you stop thinking that women are out of your league. Because honestly, most women look like complete clowns without makeup. So if you put women on a pedestal and you consider them out of your league, just shows that you don't have a lot of self-worth yourself, that you don't feel good enough for women, that you put women on a pedestal, that you feel unworthy. And this energy, these thoughts of unworthiness, and that you think that you can't get these kind of girls that you really want, just show that you don't really love and accept yourself. So make that mindset shift, start to love and accept yourself. Because really, you just have to make that decision yourself. Do you want to be a weak beta male who's making excuses, who's complaining that he's not getting any girls, you don't go to the gym, you don't work on your social skills, you don't do whatever it takes for however long it takes to become the man that you need to be in order to attract the girls out of your league? Or are you just gonna say that you're gonna become the man, whatever I need to do, however long I need to work on myself so I can become these kind of girls? And I made a decision for myself that I'm gonna be the man and I'm gonna work on myself, I'm gonna travel the world, I'm gonna develop the confidence, the charisma and the personality and character so women get attracted to me wherever I go. I literally look like a leprechaun. And just from my looks, women don't get attracted to me. But when I enter a room, everyone is looking at me, women get attracted to me, men respect me, and people want to know and learn about me because I have a fantastic and expansive and an abundant energy radiating around me. And I developed that over the years by going through pain, by going through struggle, by going through hard times, by working on my insecurities, by building confidence, by approaching thousands of women, by working in sales, by working as a club and party promoter and approaching hundreds of people every single day. I created my own league. I don't compete with any other guys. I don't think that other men are my competition. So I created my own league. I developed my own way of thinking, an unlimited mindset without any limiting beliefs. I don't think, I can't, I don't, it's hard, it's difficult. I don't have these limited thoughts. I think that I deserve the most attractive woman on this planet. Women get attracted to me wherever you are. So I invented and created my own reality. Because the reality is what you create in your conscious, in your mind. All creation starts. I developed my own fashion and style. I developed weird and funny and kind of different looking clothes. I'm peacocking. I'm wearing things like this. I just generally look a little more interesting than everyone else. And you can do exactly the same. I started to go to the gym and work out. You know, I'm jacked, I'm looking great, I'm still a little fat here, but I accept myself and I love myself, and I would never think that a woman is out of my league. So by the way you're thinking, by the way you're dressing, by your energy, by your personality, the sense of humor that you have, people get attracted to you. And then I've been thinking, how can I become the man that women are really attracted to? I've been on the yacht with 19. With 20, I've already been to over 20 countries. I've been on the yacht, I had the threesomes, I had all the girls, and I just said I'm gonna take so much action. I'm gonna develop the confidence, the charisma, the social skills to become the man that I need to be in order to get these kind of girls. And I just said, okay, I'm gonna fail so many times. I master the process, even if I'm not good looking, even if I don't have any confidence, even if I'm from a cow town, from Germany, from the middle of nowhere, I'm gonna become the man, travel the world and become the man I need to become to get the most attractive woman on this planet, because I don't settle for things that I don't want. In fact, I developed the price mindset. I don't think that women are out of my league. In fact, I think I'm superior to all women and all men. You know, I don't consider that people are in my league or above me or below me or whatever. I'm in my own league. So I have the price mindset. It's great if you can talk to me. I'm more worse than you. I'm better than you. That's how I think. And if you start thinking that way, and if you also put in the action and you think that you're a great guy and that you deserve the best, and you back it up with massive action and you approach a lot of people, you learn these social skills, you learn the strategies and the techniques on how to present yourself and demonstrate higher value, then you can be exactly the same. It's called I am the price mindset. Because when I was 19 and I was completely lost in life and I was sad and bad and I didn't know where I want to go in life and I had no purpose and I didn't have a mission and I was just lost, I just made the decision that I want to become the best version of myself in all areas of my life. But I knew if I face my fears and if I start talking to people and if I'm going out there and if I'm overcoming my insecurities and if I'm just talking to these beautiful women and become desensitized to beauty, then I'm gonna build that character and that personality. Because what your personality really is how you think, how you feel, and how you act over long periods of time. So if you want to be an outgoing person, if you want to be confident and charismatic, then you need to do courageous acts. You need to talk to a lot of people to become confident and charismatic, and then you can become exactly that kind of guy. Modern dating also changed a lot of things. If you want to attract extremely attractive women with Instagram, they're getting invited on the yacht, they're getting invited on the penthouse. I just watched an Instagram story of a girl that I'm going to meet later on, and I look her Instagram story, and it's like she is on a yacht, then she's in a super sports car Porsche, then she's going to the bottle service in the club, and then she's gonna go to a luxury penthouse somewhere around here, and later she's gonna be for free, get food and drinks for free at a luxury beach club. So modern dating has become extremely difficult. You have to learn how to approach girls in the right way, build attraction, build comfort, present and demonstrate the right things about yourself so women are actually excited that they want to talk to you. Then you need to know how to text girls the right way without being weird and needy and creepy and saying weird shit in your texts so women actually want to meet you. Then you need to have a strategy for your dates on how you run dates and how you take home girls. And then once you've been sleeping with a girl, you also need to know how to maintain the relationship and keep the girls around without them losing respect for you. So you need to understand female psychology and how to act like a real man and not like a weak beta male that is getting weird. So you need to have a system, a proven strategy in place, and that's exactly what I did. I learned from mentors, I've been reading hundreds of books, I've been traveling the world, I've been meeting women from all different kind of cultures, and I found that once you go on this process, once you start to approach, once you start optimizing your game, then you will see that everything is going to become easy and you can attract exactly the kind of girls that you want. I have an amazing conversational structure that talks directly to the human wants and needs I transform your mindset, your fashion and style, your game and social skills, and help you to build a fantastic lifestyle and social circle so women get attracted to you wherever you are. And if you want to learn more about this, book a free consultation call with me so we can find out if and how exactly I can help you. The truth is that if you're a lazy, fat man with no ambition, with no dreams and no goals, you will never ever get the girls that you really want. You need a purpose and mission in life. You need to be excited to wake up, like me today. I'm like, oh shit man, I'm going to Cancun beach. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna see yachts. I'm gonna be inspired by all these nice things around here. And I'm excited. I wake up with a purpose and I wake up with a mission. You have to make a decision to create exactly the kind of life that you want. You have to make a decision that you're gonna become confident and charismatic and that you learn the skill how to date extremely attractive women, because it's a skill, has nothing to do with looks, money or status, because look at me. I mean, I'm very pretty and I'm confident and all that, but look, I optimized my entire life. But if you want to become a man that gets the girls, that gets the money, that gets exactly the kind of life that you want, then you need to make a decision that you learn the communication skills, you need to increase your social status, connect with better people, get more opportunities, talk to more attractive women, get in contact with men that want to level up, like in the brotherhood of my mentoring program. And you just need to have that conviction and that never ending motivation, and that you go for what you want in life. So if you want to learn more about how you can become exactly that man that gets the girls, gets the money, and is simply great, then watch this video right here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you next time.